Hi there, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Natty G. I am making brownies, and I have already mixed my brownie mix and 2 eggs together. So after you do that, mix it all together, and I'm gonna put 2/3 cup of oil, but I have a 1/3, and I'm gonna do it 2 times. One.
Dos. The oven, oh yeah.
2. And we need the oven to 350. So if you can turn the oven on to 350. So I'm going to have my sister start that for me. Okay, so now mix that up.
Hi everybody who's watching In the Kitchen with Natty G.
I've already mixed my 2/3 cup of oil and brownie mix and 2 eggs together. I'm going to use the mixer and mix them more. You get everything off the sides with your
What is this?
spatula. You can leave a little on the side. There. Okay, so now I'm going to get 1/4 cup of water. It doesn't matter if it's hot or cold. It doesn't ever matter. So you can have your water hot or cold. Okay. So let me mix that all together. And these are fudge brownies. Okay, so I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna get a spoon, and because I'm baking this for other people. That's good. Okay. So now I'm gonna get a 9x13 pan. Okay, so now I've got my big pan. That's a 9x13. And I am gonna spray it. It says you use regular spray. So I'll grab regular spray. So they mean you can use canola oil, the cooking spray, or maybe Pam or whatever you use for cakes or anything. And spray that. Now I am going to clean off my blades, or not my mixers, and take them out. So scrape off the edges. Okay, so now it's in my big pan and pour this in. Okay. So once it doesn't keep pouring, you're going to want to stop, turn it back over, and you will scrape all the stuff out. Okay. So I am going to turn this. It doesn't matter if you get a little on the bowl. Just clean that, and I'm going to move all the rest of the dough, or the batter, with my spatula. That should get most of it. Okay, so I'm gonna spread this. If you want, you can put peanut butter on it, but I won't. And the peanut butter you put on top, and You move it around with a knife. And that is, then you bake it. So do that before you bake it. You can also put chocolate chips in the batter or sprinkle them on top after it's done baking, or sprinkles. So you can do any of that. So now we're gonna let it bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so we'll do it on here. Timer. 3. Start. They are going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes.
To 35 minutes.
We'll get them out, and you can put sprinkles or chocolate chips if you want on top, or just leave them plain. So my timer is beeping. Let me shut that off really quick. I'm going to get 2 oven mitts, and I will pour out my brownies. If you need counts, ask for an adult. You can have an adult count to get it out of the oven. Okay, so your brownies are ready. If you want, you can sprinkle chocolate chips or sprinkles on top, or even nuts if you'd like.